Hey gamers, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a head-to-head comparison of two of the hottest handheld gaming consoles on the market, the Odin 2 Mini and the Retroid Pocket 4 Pro. So whether you are looking for the ultimate portable gaming experience or just want to relive some retro classic, we got you covered. So let's break down which one is better for you. Now let's start with the design and build quality. So the Odin 2 Mini supports a sleek modern look with smooth curves and a compact design that fits comfortably in your hands. It's lightweight yet sturdy, making it perfect for long gaming sessions. The Retroid Pocket 4 Pro, on the other hand, embraces a more retro-inspired design with a slight bulkier frame but a nostalgic appeal. Its buttons are well placed and the overall build feels solid, but it's a bit heavier as compared to the Odin 2 Mini. Now, when it comes to display, the Odin 2 Mini features a bright and vibrant 5.5-inch OLED screen delivering crisp visuals and deep blacks, perfect for modern games and emulating older titles. The Retroid Pocket 4 Pro has a 4.7-inch IPS display which is slightly smaller but still offers good color accuracy and sharpness, while the OLED screen on the Odin 2 Mini gives it an edge in terms of the picture quality. The Retroid Pocket 4 Pro's display is more than capable for most gaming needs. Now, performance is where things get interesting. The Odin 2 Mini is powered by the Snapdragon 870 processor, which is a powerhouse for a handheld console. It handles demanding games and emulation with ease, offering smooth performance even with high-end titles. The Retroid Pocket 4 Pro, while not as powerful, comes with a solid MediaTek Helio G95 chip. It's great for retro gaming and can handle a fair share of Android games, but it falls short when it comes to more demanding tasks. So, if you are after raw power, the Odin 2 Mini takes the lead. Now let's talk about the software emulation. So the Odin 2 Mini runs on Android 12 and giving the access to a wide range of apps, emulators and customization options. Its powerful hardware ensures smooth emulation across a wide range of consoles from the NES to the PS2 and even some PS3 games. The Retroid Pocket 4 Pro also runs on Android, but it comes with a custom interface that's tailored for the retro gaming. Its pre-configuration for emulation makes it easier for those who just want to jump straight into the gaming without too much setup. Both devices support a wide range of emulators, but the Odin 2 Mini's superior performance gives it a slight edge for more demanding systems. Now, battery life is crucial for any handheld console. The Odin 2 Mini packs a 6000 mAh battery, which can last up to 8 hours depending on your usage. That's more than enough for a full day of gaming on the go. The Retroid Pocket 4 Pro has a smaller 4500 battery, offering around 5 to 6 hours of gameplay. While both consoles are portable, the Odin 2 Mini's longer battery life makes it better choice for extending gaming sessions. Finally, let's talk about the pricing. So, the Odin 2 Mini comes at a higher price point, reflecting its premium build, powerful hardware, and top tier display. So, if you are looking for the best of the best in handheld gaming, it's worth the investment. The Retroid Pocket 4 Pro, however, is a more budget friendly option. It offers great value for those who want to have a solid retro gaming experience without breaking the bank. So, which one should you actually pick? If you are after a premium handheld gaming console with top notch performance and a beautiful OLED display, the Odin 2 Mini is a way to go. But if you are looking for a more affordable option that still offers a great retro gaming experience, the Retroid Pocket 4 Pro is a fantastic choice. Both consoles have their strengths, so it really depends on what you prioritize, power and display or nostalgia and value. So that was it for this video. If this comparison helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and gaming content. Let's know in the comments which console you would pick and why. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, thank you so much for watching.